first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 3, Day 5. I'm going to say some sounds and we're going to blend them together into a word. Ice, 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 slice, wedge, wedge, ace, trace, ch, chance, plunge, ice, mice. Now I'm going to say a word, and I want you to say each sound with me. Hinge, t, j. 4 sounds. Dice, d, I, s. 3 sounds. Wage, w, a, j. 3 sounds. Smudge, s, m, j. 4 sounds. Fence, s. 4 sounds. Okay, this is our last day with these sounds, so I'm going to give you 3 seconds before I say the word. 3, 2, 1, mice. 3, 2, 1, place. 3, 2, 1, scent. 3, 2, 1, gem. 3, 2, 1, stage. 3, 2, 1, lodge. Okay, here we go. Read this word. Rice. Change the to nice. Change the to mice. Change the to lice. Change the I to a lace. Put a P in front. Place. Get rid of the L. Case. Change the P to race. Put a G in front. Grace. Change the G to trace. Remove the T. Race. Change the S to G. Rage. That one's a tricky one because it says J, even though it's a G. Change the, rage. Change the to K. Cage. Get rid of the K. Age. Change the A to edge. Add a W to the front. Wedge. Change the W to O. Ledge. Change the E to A. Lodge. Change the O to D. Dodge. Okay, here are your words. So 3, 2, 1, edge. 3, 2, 1, scent. 3, 2, 1, race. Now this one's a little tricky because we have a D at the end, but you still have the A who makes the E that makes the A say its name. Raced. 3, 2, 1, slicing. 3, 2, 1, space. 3, 2, 1, fudge. 3, 2, 1, rage. 3, 2, 1, piled. 3, 2, 1, smiled. Once again, even though there's a D, the E tickles the I. 3, 2, 1, spice. 3, 2, 1, face. 3, 2, 1, budge. 3, 2, 1, placed. The E again makes it say A. 3, 2, 1, baked. 3, 2, 1, dice. 3, 2, 1, fence. 3, 2, 1, nice. 3, 2, 1, making. 3, 2, 1, tracing. 3, 2, 1, pages. 3, 2, 1, brace. 3, 2, 1, place. 3, 2, 1, writing. 3, 2, 1, liked. 3, 2, 1, states. 3, 2, 1, ice. Here are our high frequency words. Any. Do you have any time to play? From. The cake came from the shop. Happy. The dog is happy when I pet his face. Once. Once I ran a mile. So. It is hot, so I will play inside. Upon. Once upon a time, a king had a magic stone. Okay, friends, so what we're looking at here are inflectional endings, which is ed, which means it's in the past, and ing, which means it's happening now. So, this is the word place. To make it in the past with a verb, I'd say placed. Even though it says t, it's still ed. Brace would be braced. Race, that's something I do, it's a verb. It'd be raced. That's in the past. Take would not be one, because that would be took. That's a different ending. Make would be made, so that's not ed. Oh, I get what that means. They want us to do ing on that part. So let me erase these. So to make it ing, remember we cross off the e, add ing. Take ing. Make, cross off the e, ing, make ing. Slice, cross off the e, add ing, slice ing. Dodge, cross off the e, add ing, dodge ing. Judge, cross off the e, add ing, judge ing. So when it's ed, it's in the past. And when it's ing, be sure to take off your e and put ing, and it means it's happening right now. Okay, so past tense verbs are used to tell us that something happened in the past. So let me read you the sentence. The sun shined on the class picnic. So the first thing I want to do is look for the verb. A verb is an action. So I'll read it one more time and give you 3 seconds. The sun shined on the class picnic. 3, 2, 1. Shined. That's what's happening. The sun is shining. Now, is it past tense or happening right now? The sun shined. Let's look at our ending. Do you see ed? That means it happened in the past. Okay? So this is a past tense verb in the past. Okay, let's look at the next one. We blank at school on Friday. Okay, so let's write a past tense verb. Our children provide. So we wouldn't say we goed, we'd say we went. Now that's a rule breaker because it doesn't have an ed at the end. So let's, what's something we did at school? How about learn? So let me get my pen. We learned at school on Friday. Here's another one. Chad blanked down the hill. So we want it to be in the past, so it has to have our ed. He could have skipped or hopped or jumped. Let's do skipped. 2 P's. He skipped down the hill. Okay, here's what this says. This time we're going to do future tense. So remember, future tense has a will at the beginning. Will, whatever you're going to do. I will sing. I will play. I will dance. Will goes at the beginning of a verb to mean it's going to happen in the future. Tonight I will, think of what you'll do tonight. So for me, I will read a book tonight. Tonight I will read. Okay, the frog blank in the water. So we could have said jumped, but if I say jumped, it's in the past. So we want to say will what? What will he do? Jump. So he hasn't jumped yet. He will jump in the future. So in the past is ed, happening right now is ing, and in the future is will. Okay? Past tense, ed, right now, ing, present, future, will. Okay, bye everyone. Talk to you later.